Pilots of the Caribbean podcast audience, October 21st and 22nd, we are headed to the largest drone show in Florida. And that is none other than Elevate UAV 2025, presented by Drone Nerds. So make sure to come out, grab your tickets, and take in the live demos. So this is not just seeing the drones on display, this is actually being able to see them in operation, talk to the manufacturers, get your questions answered, and so much more. So that's October 21st and 22nd. We head into Miami, Florida. And for the Pilots of the Caribbean podcast audience, we have a 75% discount code. That's Caribbean75. So link in the description and get 75% off your ticket. Now, with that 75% off, I'm not saying that you have to buy a VIP ticket, but make sure you get a VIP ticket. And I will see you in Miami October 21st and 22nd, Elevate UAV 2025. Peace.